Hello, Fly Babies. Today is Tuesday, and I'm very excited for you because this is your free day if you're an at-home Fly Baby. If you're working, it's not going to be so hard either. All right, so here we go. We have 3 things to do today. Our routines, our basic weekly plan, and our zones. First thing is our routines. So for your routines, you're going to get up in the morning and do your morning routine. After that, you're going to put your children through their routines. If you have anything else that is a morning chore that must be done every morning, first thing in the morning, I mean must, like gather eggs or milk the cow or take the dog out, all right? Doesn't mean take the dog for an hour walk unless you work and that's the only time you can do it, then you have to plan that into your morning routine. That would mean that you would have a half hour for you, a half hour for the kids, and an hour for the dog. That's 2 hours, so you need to get up 2 hours before you have to leave the house. And only spend an hour on the dog, only spend a half hour on yourself, and only spend a half hour on the children in this example. All right, so after that, if you are at home Fly Baby, an at-home lion, living in your new strength and our new strength, you're going to put in your laundry. You're going to keep an ear out for it. When it's done, you're going to put it in the dryer. You're going to keep an ear out for it. When it's done, you're going to fold it and put it away. That is like a 10-minute job. 2 minutes to sort and fold the laundry, put the laundry in the machine. 2 minutes to switch it over to the dryer, and 7 minutes to fold it and put it away. So a 10 or 11-minute job. All right. Next thing is paper. While the laundry's working, we're going to go through an inch of paper. Remember again that we are just going to do 3 things with the paper: throw away or shred, file, or action required. It doesn't mean that we're going to file it today or do the action that's required on it today. We're going to put it in our inbox to handle on Wednesday, our desk day. Okay? And the shred can happen then too. You can have a shred pile. Or you can shred it today while you're doing something else. It actually shreds itself. So you don't have to do anything but feed it in there. All right, next thing we're going to do is, at-home Fly Babies. At-home lions, today is your free day. That's our second thing. It's your free day. So you're going to pamper yourself today. If you normally don't give yourself a pedicure, give yourself a pedicure or a manicure. If you don't normally polish your nails and you really like them polished, then polish your nails. This is that day. It doesn't mean it has to always be about your nails, and you can go get them done. That's also the same thing. But you might choose to have a facial or a massage, or you might choose to take a nice long leisurely walk. Whatever it feels to you is pampering, or you might want to read 6 chapters of your book today. That's pampering, okay? All right, now I know that's not possible when you have little children. You can't read 6 chapters of a book usually unless they take a really good nap and you're a really fast reader, but you get the idea, okay? If you're working, you're going to go on to work feeling happy that you've gotten all the things done that you needed to do, whether it was go to the gym or walk the dog or whatever it is you planned for the morning. It's done. The kids are ready and off to school and you're ready for work. So when you go to work, say hello to everyone, get yourself your hot beverage and your bottle of water, go to your nice clean desk, open your control journal, and get to work. Now when you come to breaks and lunch, you're going to think about what's going on in your home and how you're going to do that. So today we're going to think about the second step of the weekly home blessing hour, which is dusting. So when you get home today, you're going to dust, or you're going to delegate dusting. Dusting is a super easy chore. It's not really a chore, it's just a little light thing. You're going to, if you have a FlyLady duster or a nice feather duster, that will make the job, it'll just cut it in half the time. If you don't have that, the second best thing is a Swiffer duster. It's not quite as fast. And you do have to move things a little bit when you're using the Swiffer duster. Please don't use a rag to wipe your furniture. That would be, or a cloth. That is fine, and it's great for deep cleaning, but we're not deep cleaning, we're blessing. 10 minutes, the whole house, zoom, okay? All right, so when you get home today, you're going to put your laundry in the machine, listen for it, put it in the dryer, listen for it, fold it, hang it up, or hang it up, and put it away. 10 or 11 minutes total there. And not all at once. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 7 minutes. Okay, next thing you're going to do is you're going to go through your paper while the laundry is working. An inch of paper, just like I talked to the at-home Fly Babies. You're going to do your paper. The next thing we're going to do is start supper. Everybody's going to start supper in the evening. So you're starting your supper. While the supper is simmering, you're going to get that dusting done or delegate it and inspect what you expect. And we are in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So the hall bathroom that has a tub, okay, that one. So if you're doing your morning routines and you're doing your weekly home blessing, then the bathroom will be mopped every week, the toilets will be clean, and the sink will be clean. And if you've got whomever's bathing or showering in there, wiping it out each time they use it, the bathroom looks pretty good. So you're going to do some detail. Yesterday I talked about detailing the tub, really giving it a good scrub or a shower. Today we're going to talk about underneath the cabinets. Open it up. Looks like a mess, huh? That's because you've been in a big hurry. Stop being in a hurry. Get up early enough. And be aware of what your children are doing in your clutter checks and inspecting what you expect. But go ahead and straighten out under there. That'll be a great thing for you to do while your supper is bubbling on the stove. All right, when you're done, that's only 10 to 15 minutes max. You're going to go back in the kitchen, finish your dinner. Everyone's going to eat. Now remember, when you were cooking, when you're preparing that meal, you're going to clean as you go. You're going to have that bubbly, soapy, warm water in the sink, and you're going to clean as you go. So it's not a big mess. All right, so after dinner, everyone is going to come together, and we're going to all clean the kitchen together. Empty the dishwasher. I mean, not empty. Put your dishes in the dishwasher or in the washing or in the sink in the warm water, and somebody's going to wash the dishes right now. And wipe the counters, clean up the floor, clean under the table, wipe the baby's high chair and under the high chair. That's wipe the stove. Those are the kind of things you're going to do. Maybe hand wash your pots and pans if they don't fit in your dishwasher, or you choose not to put them in your dishwasher. That is the thing that we're going to do right after supper. Don't delay. Don't let your inner child run this job. You're running it. You're the CEO. Then after that, we're going to prepare for bed. If you're tired, get yourself ready if you're not going anywhere. If you're not tired, get your children ready. Or you may have to deliver kids all over the place at this time of day. This is what I usually did, sometimes before supper. Girl Scouts and acrobatics and piano lessons and all those things that we have our children in. So I know those come into a play also, but you're still going to get these little jobs done because they're so little. And they make a difference. And you want to make a difference in your life, don't you? This is it, okay? Then the before bed routines for your children and then for yourself. Don't forget to look at your planner and check and see what's going on tomorrow, what you have planned for your meals, what you need to lay out, what kind of clothes you need to put on tomorrow, what are the kids wearing, if their little projects are by the front door, whatever. That's it. All right, have a fabulous, wonderful Tuesday, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.